This channel is designed with you in mind. We review human and synthetic wigs, and so much more. So definitely subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for new uploaded videos. And follow me on Instagram. Okay guys, we are totally out of our RAM here. This color on this beautiful unit is really gorgeous. This one is from the ModuWigs, and this is from their luxury line, which is their human hair blended line. I'm just blown away because of the color itself, okay? So I'm going to do a 360 for you on this one, but this is gorgeous. This is her straight out of the packaging. Pretty. She's very lightweight. The cap is very stretchable. It is a tight, kind of a snug fitting cap, so I can't say if she's big head friendly or not. But check out the color and those waves. They'll make you dizzy. Oh my goodness, the hair texture is really soft. Now this one has a parting space, Swiss parting space here. I was going to pluck that parting space, but I decided not to, because if I start plucking or tweezing, I probably would have messed up the pattern, so I did not. So the only thing I did was just add a little bit of powder in there. But yeah, she is a middle part, and I shifted her to the side, okay? Now I did receive a little shedding just by cutting the Swiss lace on the front and just kind of, manipulating her on. But I haven't combed her, and nor am I going to comb her, because I don't want to mess with the style of this unit. This is a beautiful crimping style. Now she does come with combs, bendable ear tabs, and the adjustable strap. The texture on here is really nice, very soft, because it is a human hair blend. You should not receive a lot of tangling with this one, even though she's long. But because it is a human hair blend, it's got that more natural texture to it. But yeah, this is really cute. Wow. I'm loving this color. I've never worn a color like this before, and I love the way that it looks on my complexion along with the waves. It's just beautiful. Listen, ladies, if you like this one, add her to your wig collection. All the information is going to be down in my description box. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye-bye.